Early morning light in your eyes so bright. You taught me wrong from right, held me through the night. You were my rock so strong, guided me along. In your arms I belong. With you I can be strong. Dad, you're my hero, my guiding stars go. In your love I know I'm never alone. Saw me through my fears, wiped away my tears. Through the passing years, you whispered in my ears. Laughter and the cries, through all lows and highs. In your wisdom lies the love that never dies. Dad, you're my hero, my guiding stars go. In your love I know I'm never alone. Laughter and the cries, through our lows and highs. In your wisdom lies the love that never dies. Dad, you're my hero, my guiding stars glow. In your love I know.
Birthday, bravo. More birthday to come. Hoy, Dabi, happy birthday. Ayos-ayos buhay-buhay dyan, ha. Galingan mo sa buhay. Sige, more birthdays to come, brother. Bid, happy birthday. Alam mo na yan.
Bid, happy birthday. God bless. Ingat palagi.
No, praise the Lord, David! Kamusta na kayo dyan? Palayan kayo ng mahal na Panginoon. Happy birthday, ha? Happy birthday. Lagi mag-pray, ha? Ligard sa beloved at ano mo, beloved daughter mo, sa beloved wife. Ha? God bless, God bless, God bless.
Pogi ko, no? Happy birthday, peeps. Uwi ka na dito. Pag uwi nyo, alam mo na. Yeah. First lang, sa work na. Happy birthday, God bless. Happy birthdays to come.
Bid, happy birthday. Love you.
Yo, shout out sa iyo man, David. Happy birthday tol. Enjoy your day. Sana patuloy ka lang sa paggagamit sa mahal na Panginoon. Then I hope matupad mo yung pangarap mo para sa family mo. Sigap lang, tsaga lang. Hindi tayo pabayaan ng mahal na Panginoon. So yun, again, happy birthday tol. More birthdays to come. God bless to you always tol.
Peps, happy birthday. Nawadalangin namin sa mahal na Panginoon na patuloy kang gamitin sa kanyang banal na ubasan. May our loving God bless you more always, Peps. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday,
David, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life and always be a good tatay sa family mo, kay Iya at saka kay Eve. Ngayon, wishing you good health and God bless you so much. Miss you, uwi na kayo.
Happy birthday po Kuya David.
Happy birthday, David. More birthdays to come and stay healthy and happy. We love you. We miss you. Bye!
David, ako ay nagpapabot ng pagpati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Aking dalangin na ikaw ay patuloy na bigyan ng kalakasan ng mahal na Panginoon at pagpalain ng mahal na Panginoon sa matinang bagay, pinansyal na bagay, lalo higit sa lahat sa spiritual. At ingatan mo ang iyong sarili at lalahanin mo ang mahal mong asawa at anak mo. At nandito lang kami ni tita at tito mo. Ako ay nagpapabot sa inang happy birthday, David. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, David. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, David. Triple blessing. Pagkalap siya ng mahal na Panginoon. Sa higit sa lahat, spiritual. Happy birthday, David.
Happy birthday, David! Ingat palagi. Many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bid! More birthdays to come. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, David! Hi, Tito David. Happy birthday po. Happy day, 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 day. Happy day, day, nine, day, day, nine, nine. Happy day, 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 day. No, I know you're not day, day, day. Happy day, day. My day, day. Happy birthday. Yay.
You're my hero.